I'm on the GTI SE 170, Lake Las Vegas. About to put this bad boy to the test. Polytech Gen 2 hull, and I've been watching people ride all day, and they're whipping this thing around. It's my turn, and I'm going that way. Let's get it. Impression of the GTI SE 170 is what a step up. Fun, nimble. I'm throwing it around, carving, sliding. This thing feels amazing. It feels light with a ton of power, and I like it. I actually like the SE 170. This thing feels amazing. Acceleration and just overall funness is through the charts, guys. SE 170, give it a thumbs up.